makikita nyo parang excess hair sa popad ng aso, this is what you call hyperkeratosis. This is actually a skin condition wherein yung katawan ng aso nagpo-produce ng too much keratin. Ang keratin kasi is a protein that makes up yung hair, nails, and skin ng mga dogs natin. And dahil sa overproduction, pwede maging parang hair-like, excessive hair sa paws nila, minsan nangangapal, and minsan may crusting pang nangyayari. Take note kapag may ganito ang aso nyo, maraming pwedeng causes. It can be viral, hormonal, or nutritional causes. Ang hyperkeratosis guys, actually, ibig sabihin meron silang zinc deficiency kaya nagkakaroon ng ganyan. Pero syempre, kailangan muna ng further test just to be sure. And check rin sa vet. And if may ganito yung paws ng aso nyo and wala naman silang other problems, kasi hindi naman nagtatamlay, okay naman sila, at parang buhok yung itsura, you can actually trim it na ganito and isama na sa grooming routine nila. And take note, if nakaka-apekto na yung hyperkeratosis nila sa quality of life nila, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.